The Power of Subconscious Mind, written and published by Book Boost. There is a hidden force inside every person, a power that works silently, shaping life in ways most people don't even realize. It decides success or failure, happiness or sadness, health or sickness. This power is not something outside. It is within. It is the subconscious mind. Book Boost brings you this life-changing wisdom, explained in the simplest way. This is not just a book. It is a guide to unlocking the greatest strength you already have. Many people struggle because they do not know how to use their minds the right way. But those who understand this secret can change their entire life. This book reveals a truth that has always existed but is often ignored. The subconscious mind listens to every thought, every belief, and every emotion. It is like fertile soil. Whatever seeds are planted in it, whether good or bad, will grow. Those who fill their minds with confidence and success will see their dreams turning into reality. But those who feed their minds with fear and doubt will face endless struggles. How does this power really work? How can a person control their subconscious mind to bring happiness, success, and health? What are the secrets hidden in this book that can transform an ordinary life into something extraordinary? Stay with Book Boost as we uncover the most powerful lessons from the power of your subconscious mind. Each part of this journey will reveal something incredible, and by the end, you will see how this one book can change everything. Reprogramming your mind for success. The subconscious mind is like a mirror. It reflects whatever is placed before it. If a person fills it with positive thoughts, their life becomes bright. If they fill it with doubts and fears, their path becomes difficult. Many people fail not because they lack talent, but because their own thoughts stop them from moving forward. A person who believes they will succeed finds ways to make it happen. But someone who constantly thinks about failure faces obstacles at every step. The subconscious mind does not judge. It simply follows the thoughts it is given. That is why learning to control thoughts is the first step to success. One of the greatest lessons from this book is that the subconscious mind responds to belief. If a person deeply believes in something, their mind starts working to make it real. It is not magic. It is the power of focus. The more the mind focuses on a goal, the more opportunities appear. Great inventors, successful leaders, and happy individuals all have one thing in common. They trust their inner power. They do not let doubts control them. They replace negative thoughts with strong, positive beliefs. When the subconscious mind is trained to expect success, life begins to change. Words also shape the subconscious mind. People who constantly say, "I can't," "I'm unlucky," or "this is impossible," are programming their minds for failure. But those who say, "I can do this," "good things are coming," and "I am capable," are creating a future filled with success. Every day, the subconscious listens. If a person repeatedly tells themselves they are confident, their mind starts believing it. If they tell themselves they are weak, their mind accepts that too. The choice is always in their hands. Many people do not realize that the mind is always learning. Even when they are asleep, their subconscious is working. That is why the thoughts a person carries before sleeping are powerful. If they sleep with worries, their mind stays restless. But if they sleep with gratitude and hope, their subconscious works to bring positive results. Visualization is another powerful tool. The mind understands pictures more than words. When a person imagines their success, their subconscious starts finding ways to achieve it. Athletes, artists, and successful business people often practice this. They see their victory in their mind before it happens in real life. The book teaches that the subconscious cannot tell the difference between real and imagined experiences. If a person keeps seeing themselves as strong, their mind starts treating them as strong. If they see themselves as defeated, their mind follows that image. Fear is one of the biggest enemies of success. Many people never try because they are afraid of failure. But fear is just a thought, nothing more. If a person replaces fear with faith, their subconscious will support them instead of stopping them. A simple technique to remove fear is to replace negative thoughts immediately. Whenever a doubtful thought appears, one should say, "I am confident. I am capable." Over time, the subconscious will believe this and act accordingly. The power of the subconscious is not limited to success. It also affects health. Many illnesses are connected to stress and negative thinking. A person who constantly worries weakens their body, but someone who fills their mind with peace and positivity strengthens their health. A person's outer world is a reflection of their inner world. If they change their thoughts, their life changes too. The book teaches that instead of blaming circumstances, one should first look within. The answers are always inside. Gratitude is a powerful force. People who appreciate what they have receive more. Those who always complain attract more problems. The subconscious mind works with the energy it is given. Gratitude brings more blessings, and complaints bring more struggles. One of the simplest ways to train the subconscious is through repetition. If a person repeats positive thoughts daily, their mind accepts them as truth. This is why affirmations are so effective. Saying, "I am strong, I am successful, and I am happy," daily shapes the mind in that direction. Every great person who has achieved something remarkable has understood this secret. They train their subconscious mind to believe in success before it happened. This is not just a theory, it is a universal truth that works for everyone. Anyone can apply these lessons. The subconscious mind does not belong to a special group of people. It is present in every person, waiting to be used the right way. Those who understand this power can change any situation in life. What happens when a person fully controls their subconscious mind? What is the connection between thoughts and physical health? How can the subconscious mind turn dreams into reality? Stay with Book Boost as we continue exploring these powerful secrets. The next part will reveal how the mind and body are connected, and how thoughts shape reality in ways most people never realize. The mind-body connection and manifestation. The subconscious mind is not just about thoughts. It affects the body too. Whatever a person believes deeply, the body starts responding to it. If someone keeps thinking they are weak or sick, their body begins to feel that way. But if they fill their mind with health and strength, their body starts to heal and grow stronger. Many great doctors and scientists have proven that the mind has the power to influence health. There have been people who recovered from serious illnesses simply by changing their thinking. They believed in their healing so strongly that their body followed. This is not magic. It is the power of the subconscious mind. It listens to every command given to it. When a person repeats positive thoughts, the mind accepts them as true and turns them into reality. But this power does not work only for health. It works for everything in life. Many successful people have used the subconscious mind to achieve their biggest dreams. They imagined their success, believed in it, and never let doubts control them. And slowly, life started creating the situations that brought their dreams closer. The secret behind this is simple. The subconscious mind does not understand the difference between real and imagined things. If a person visualizes success every day, their mind accepts it as truth and starts working towards it. This is why great athletes, leaders, and inventors always focus on their goals with complete belief. But most people do the opposite. They think about their fears, their failures, and their problems. And the subconscious mind takes those thoughts and makes them real too. This is why negative thinking brings negative results, while positive thinking attracts success. One of the best lessons from this book is that people must be careful about what they think. Every thought is like a seed. If someone plants seeds of doubt, fear, or failure, that is what will grow in their life. But if they plant seeds of confidence, success, and happiness, life will bring those things to them. Some of the world's greatest minds have practiced this. They used affirmations, simple positive sentences that they repeated daily, to train their subconscious. Words like "I am strong," "I am successful," "I attract happiness" are not just sentences. They are commands given to the subconscious mind, shaping a person's future. The subconscious mind also responds to emotions. When people feel grateful, happy, and confident, their mind creates more reasons to feel that way. But when they feel angry, fearful, or sad all the time, their mind attracts more negativity. This is why gratitude is a powerful tool. Those who appreciate what they have, even the smallest things, invite more blessings into their life. One of the most inspiring lessons from this book is about visualization. Many people struggle because they do not see themselves winning. They hope for success, but secretly believe they will fail. But those who clearly imagine their success, as if it has already happened, send a strong message to their subconscious. And with time, life starts moving in that direction. This is why great inventors, artists, and leaders always had a vision. They saw the future they wanted, even before anyone else believed in it. They held on to their dreams, repeated them in their minds every day, and turned them into reality. A person's entire life is shaped by what they focus on the most. If they constantly think about problems, their problems grow. If they think about opportunities, new paths open up. The subconscious mind works like a magnet. It attracts whatever is given to it repeatedly. But there is one important thing. This power does not work instantly. Many people try positive thinking for a few days and then give up. They say it does not work. But the truth is, the subconscious mind takes time to absorb new beliefs. Just like a plant takes time to grow from a seed, thoughts also take time to turn into reality. Patience is the key. Those who trust the process and keep feeding their minds with positive thoughts will see their life changing, little by little. And one day, they will look back and realize how far they have come. Many people waste years waiting for the right moment to change their lives. But the truth is, the moment is always now. The subconscious mind is listening at this very second, ready to accept new beliefs. The choice is simple. Keep repeating the same old thoughts and get the same old results, or start feeding the mind with new, powerful thoughts and create a new reality. The biggest lesson from this book is that a person is not controlled by their past or their present situation. They are controlled by their mind. And the best part? The mind can be changed at any time. Those who understand this secret will never feel helpless again. They will know that no matter where they are in life, they have the power to rewrite their future. And once they learn to use the subconscious mind correctly, nothing will be impossible. But how can someone take the first step? What are the simplest ways to apply these lessons in daily life? And what happens when a person fully masters their subconscious mind? Stay with Book Boost as we enter the final part of this journey, where everything comes together and the most powerful message of this book is revealed. Harnessing your inner power. The subconscious mind is always listening. It takes every thought seriously and turns it into reality. That is why the greatest lesson from this book is to think only of what is wanted, not what is feared. The mind does not understand the difference between a good thought and a bad one. It only follows instructions. A person who constantly worries about failure is unknowingly telling the subconscious to create failure. But someone who fills their mind with thoughts of success, happiness, and good health gives the subconscious the right direction. Whatever the mind believes with emotion, it attracts into life. The power of belief is stronger than most people realize. There have been people who healed themselves just by believing they could. There have been others who remained sick simply because they believed nothing could cure them. The subconscious follows belief like a strict rule. A person who truly believes in success starts seeing doors open where there were none before. Repetition is the key to changing the subconscious. One positive thought is not enough. It must be repeated every day, just like watering a plant. When someone keeps saying to themselves, "I am strong, I am successful, I am healthy," the subconscious starts to accept it as true. And slowly, life begins to change. The words a person speaks also shape their reality. Those who constantly say, "I can't do this," or "I always have bad luck," are unknowingly giving orders to the subconscious. But those who say, "I am capable, and everything works out for me," are planting seeds of success. Visualization is another powerful tool. The mind responds strongly to images. When someone closes their eyes and clearly imagines their goal is already achieved, the subconscious begins working to make it real. Athletes, leaders, and successful people across the world use this technique. They see their success in their minds before it happens. Emotions add power to thoughts. A simple wish is weak, but a deep, passionate desire creates real change. When a person truly feels the joy of achieving something, even before it happens, the subconscious starts working faster to bring it to life. One of the biggest secrets of the subconscious mind is that it does not work through force. It works best through relaxation. A mind filled with stress and doubt blocks success. But a calm and peaceful mind allows ideas, solutions, and opportunities to flow naturally. Gratitude is another key to unlocking the subconscious. When someone focuses on what they already have and feels thankful, they attract more good things. But when they only think about what is missing, they push blessings away. Gratitude turns even the smallest joys into powerful sources of happiness. Fear is the biggest enemy of the subconscious. It weakens the mind, closes doors, and creates unnecessary problems. But courage and faith open the path to success. When a person believes that things will work out, even if they don't know how, the subconscious begins to arrange everything in their favor. Sleep is a golden time for the subconscious. Whatever a person thinks about before sleeping stays deep in the mind. That is why it is important to go to bed with positive thoughts. Many people solve problems in their sleep without even trying. Forgiveness is a secret power. Holding on to anger and resentment blocks the subconscious from creating a happy life. But when a person forgives, they free their mind from negativity, making space for peace and joy. Opportunities often come in unexpected ways. The subconscious mind works behind the scenes, bringing ideas, people, and situations that match a person's dominant thoughts. That is why being open-minded and ready to take action is important. Doubt is like a wall between a person and their dreams. The moment someone starts thinking, maybe this won't work, they slow down their progress. But those who move forward with confidence, even when they don't have all the answers, see results faster. The subconscious mind works best with clear goals. A person who is confused about what they want will get mixed results. But those who have a clear vision, a strong belief, and take small steps every day will see their dreams become reality. Many people let their past control their future. But the subconscious does not care about the past. It only responds to what is being fed to it right now. Changing thoughts today means creating a better tomorrow. Every great leader, inventor, and successful person has used the power of the subconscious mind, whether they knew it or not. They believed in their vision when no one else did. They kept going even when things looked impossible. This book is not just about knowing these secrets. It is about using them. A person who starts applying even one or two of these lessons will see changes in their life. The subconscious mind is always working. Why not make it work in the best way? Every person has the power to shape their future. The subconscious is like a sleeping giant, waiting to be awakened. The moment someone decides to take control of their thoughts, they take control of their life. The journey does not end here. The real magic begins when these lessons are practiced every single day. With the right mindset, there are no limits to what can be achieved.